A major property insurance company is canceling roughly 72,000 homeowners policies. This is going to be a very serious turn in the real estate market. Why? First, I have to remind you of the story of the home that I went to that was being foreclosed on in Southern California. Was worth approximately $600,000. This was about 8 months ago. And in its current condition, $600,000, the family owed approximately $20,000 left on a mortgage that was dated back to 1996. They were being foreclosed on for one reason and one reason only, and it was not missing their payments. It was that they did not have homeowners insurance. They stated they did not have the money to pay the homeowners insurance, even though they were current on the home mortgage, because they had a death in the family and things had gone tragically wrong. This insurance company is one of the largest in the state. As a matter of fact, it's a company that I just walked away from, and I'm producing a handful of videos for the Economic Ninja channel because I got completely screwed by them when I got a vehicle hit a couple months ago. It's State Farm. Now, this story revolves around California, but I want you to understand that we are in the greatest insurance crisis in our country's history. And I believe you're going to see so many amazing opportunities to pick up properties because people aren't prepared for that. I want you to understand that it's not just State Farm that's in a crisis, and it's not just California. It's other states like Florida as well. And now with the big fires in Texas, I believe you're going to see them starting to pinpoint those properties as well. And people are going to lose. They're going to have their home insurance canceled. They're going to go to another insurance company. And I have a feeling that these other insurance companies are going to go, wait a minute. If State Farm canceled you, maybe we shouldn't be picking you up. Or if we do, it's going to be for a hefty increase. So this story is out of Yahoo. It's entitled, Major California Property Insurer Decides Not to Renew Tens of Thousands of Policies. State Farm plans to not renew roughly 72,000 property and commercial apartment policies in California starting this summer, the company announced on Wednesday. So this hasn't even begun yet, but they've already given you the announcement, given you the heads up that you may need to start figuring out another set of plans right now. It says about 30,000 of the affected policies will be for homeowner, rental, residential community association, and business owner insurance. The other approximately 42,000 will be for commercial apartment policies. That will make up a little more than 2% of the company's footprint in the state. The announcement said it was California's largest property insurer in 2022. The most recent data available according to the Department of Insurance. Don't you love how they say really nicely, we're just going to decide not to renew it. That means you're being canceled. And it's not just California. You're going to see announcements in other states in this year of 2024. It says the decision follows the company's announcement in May that it would stop accepting new applications for property and business policies. At the time, State Farm cited higher construction costs and a growing risk from catastrophic events such as wildfires and challenges related to how it insures its own business. In Wednesday's announcement, the company referenced those same challenges as well as the limitations of working within decades-old insurance regulations. Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara has announced regulatory changes that his department is rolling out this year. I can tell you this, California is headed for state-backed insurance, and California is already running a deficit, and it's getting ugly. One of their largest pension plans, STRS, the teachers' pension fund, has had to recently take out a huge loan just to keep up with its collapse of the commercial mortgage industry. Think about this. How much worse right now pension funds and banks are failing because of the commercial mortgage-backed securities collapse. On top of that, now you have them not being able to insure some of these properties. This is very bad. It does not bode well for the real estate market, but as you learn these things, you get more fired up, you get more prepared. Now, he said, it says, Michael Soler, a department spokesperson for State Farm, said in an emailed statement Thursday, the agency was confident the actions will improve conditions for the overall market. That is not true. It will improve conditions for State Farm that is hemorrhaging money, okay? It has nothing to do with the overall market. It's actually a bad thing. He said the company's decision raises serious questions about its financial situation, questions the company must answer to regulators. The action was taken by State Farm General Insurance Company, which sells homeowners insurance in California. The company acknowledged the department's proposed changes and vowed to continue to work with the agency to establish an environment in which insurance rates are better aligned with risk. That means prices are going to go much higher. Let me know down below, because it happened with me, it's happened with my family and friends. All of our insurance has gone up. Let me know down below how much yours has gone up in the last year on a percentage basis or just a dollar amount. It is absolutely insane, and it is squeezing the American consumer even more, which means you're going to see more inventory popping up. You are going to see 2024 be the year of the second homes and Airbnbs hitting the market, because they cannot go on like a company on a continuing basis. It's just a fact. Consumers are done. They're not spending as much money. They're dumping their stuff right now. Now, it said on Wednesday, the insurer said it will begin taking action in July on the homeowners policies and in August on commercial ones, and that it would occur on a rolling basis over the next year. Said it would notify people affected by the decision before their coverage expires. So you are going to see this come out in July, August, September, and it's going to get worse and worse and worse. So you're getting this information now. The only question is, what are you going to do with it? Are you going to get prepared, or are you going to be scared? This is going to be the greatest real estate crisis in our country's history. And I say that with a smile, because I'm getting ready. Are you? That being said, the Real Estate Ninja is out. Oh, hey, keep an eye out on the Economic Ninja channel for those State Farm videos, because I saved a ton of money switching. I'm going to show you how I did it, and companies like this can't get away with what they just tried to pull with me. All right, Ninja is out.